Hey signers, welcome to Learn How to Sign. Today, we're gonna be learning meat and dairy signs.
Yum!
This is video 1 of 3 having to do with food. Do you wanna know a deaf joke? Pasteurized milk. Get it? Enough cheesiness. Let's get into the meat of it.
Not funny.
Let's learn how to sign meat and dairy signs. Bacon. Bacon. Your fingers are making the shape of the wavy bacon. Bacon. Chicken. Chicken. It's like a bird pecking down for its food. Chicken. Clam. Clam. You're just showing the shape of the clam. Clam. Crab or crab. It's also the same sign for lobster. Crab, crab. Fish, fish. You're just showing the fish swimming through the water. Fish. Hot dog, hot dog. Your hands are making the hot dog. Hot dog. Meat, beef, or steak. You've got your dominant hand clasping on your non-dominant. Meat, beef, or steak. Roast beef, roast beef. You just abbreviate it RB, roast beef. Sausage, sausage. This is also the same sign for hot dog, sausage. Shrimp, shrimp. Your index finger is making the shape of the shrimp swimming. Shrimp. Turkey, turkey. You're just showing the turkey's gobbler. Turkey. Butter. Butter. You're using 2 fingers and showing the pad of butter spreading on a piece of bread. Butter. Cheese. Cheese. Your dominant hand is grating the cheese. Cheese. Egg. Egg. It's just like you're cracking the egg. Egg. Yogurt. Yogurt. You have a Y hand and you're bending your thumb. Yogurt. In this video, you've learned several meat and dairy signs, but there are some that are fingerspelled, such as ham, lamb, oyster, pork, salami, tofu. Now that you've learned all of these signs, let's practice using them in sentences. Wow, this steak is so good. Wow, steak, delicious. How many shrimp have you eaten? Shrimp, eat how many? For Christmas, do we want ham or turkey? Christmas, want ham, turkey, which? Hopefully you learned something new today. I encourage you to keep at it. Repetition is the key to learning any new language. Be sure to like, subscribe, and be notified so you don't miss our next video. And until then, keep learning how to sign.